Guys, today we're going to be learning about migratory birds coming to Bharatpur, Rajasthan in India. So, the first one is bar-headed goose. Its picture is like this. Breeding places in Central Asia, Tibet, Mongolia, and parts of China. In the high altitude lakes of it, they live in lakes of Central Asia, Tibet, Mongolia, and China. They have a long distance migration. Migration means travel from one place to another in uh, in climate change. Period of migration is October to March. Harsh climate is the reason of migration. These all are same with all of these. Common teal is like this. Its breeding place in northern Europe, Siberia, and Central Asia. Still long distance migration, October to March and harsh climate. This is the great its breeding places in Iran and Turkey, and its type of migration is long distance. Migration period is October to March. Reason is harsh climate. The Gadwal. It looks like this. It is in northern and central Europe. Reason for migration is distant, long distance migration. The type of migration, by the way. Period of migration is still October to March. Reasons for migration, harsh climate. This is the last and fifth bird, the northern shoveler. It's like this, a bit creepy, huh? And its breeding place or place of origin is Central and Northern Europe. It's a European bird. Or a duck, maybe we should call it maybe a duck. Maybe some people call it a duck in different regions of the world. Type of migration is long distance migration. Period of migration is October to March. Reason for migration is harsh climate. So, bye.